These days, the internet is filled with Studio Ghibli style inspired images, all thanks to ChatGPT. We're all guilty of using ChatGPT's latest feature. I know it's interesting and super exciting, but there's an issue. To make this 4-second clip, it took the animators 15 months to do this. Hayao Miyazaki, the owner of Studio Ghibli, said about AI animations that it is death to life itself. Are we celebrating a soulless imitation over genuine art? What about the years of hand-drawn dedication that made Studio Ghibli a legend that it is today? Fun for the internet, fun for you, but what about the artists? It will be interesting to see if Studio Ghibli takes action against ChatGPT. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below and follow Logical Media for more such legal insights.